One of the friend of the author suggested that the two should go for a bicycle ride the next day. The author reached the place half an hour before his friend and was waiting for him in the garden. The author's friend inquired about his bicycle and then gave it a shake, holding its front wheel and the fork. After a while, the man took out the front wheel of the cycle while the author was away for a while looking for a hammer. Okay, so you people know that after the man had went to get the hammer and everything, what happened with the bicycle? Next point, the bicycle inspection and its repair work. The author insisted on putting on the various parts of cycle in place, but his friend wanted to check the front wheel. He unscrewed something and from somewhere around a dozen of ball bearings came out. His friend insisted that the author must collect all of them, else the bicycle might not be resorted to its old condition. The author collected around 16 of them and kept them in his hat. The author's friend now started taking off the gear case. The author warned him not to mess up with the gear case, but his friend said that nothing is as easier as taking off the gear case. He took it off easily but had a nightmare while fixing it back to its place. Moving to the next point, his bicycle, which was until now in good condition, was now lying scattered, divided in many parts. Author wanted to stop his friend from causing further troubles, but he admits that he is weak at hurting others. Then it was the time for the chain, which he tightened to an extent that it stopped moving. He then loosened it until it became twice as loose as it was before. Last one. Hard work to collect the parts. After applying his tricks on the cycle, author's friend seemed to be contented and now wanted to put all the pieces back into their place. It took a lot of time and a great effort. The process revealed that his friend was inexperienced and knew nothing about repairing a bicycle. After struggling for many hours, his friend was able to somehow fix the different parts of the bicycle. The author took him to his back kitchen where his friend cleaned himself, and then the author sent him back to his home. Next, new words and the meaning. Overhaul, take apart in order to examine. Next is stiffly, in a manner that is not relaxed or friendly. Next, violently, using physical force intended to hurt. Wobble, move or cause to move unsteadily. Twiddling, twist or turn. Bearings, a person's way of standing or moving. Moving to the next word. Cheaper, low in price. Confess, declare. Groveling, in order to obtain forgiveness or favor. Next. Ravages, cause severe and extensive damage to. Lunatic, a person who is mentally ill, mad person. Scurf of the neck, back of a person's or animal's neck. Next word, knack, an acquired or natural skill at doing something. Fascinates, attract the strong attention and interest of someone. Subsequent proceedings, coming after something in time following. Okay. Next, disheveled, untidy, disorder. Next is classwork. We are going to discuss these question answers in the class, in the online class. So answer the following question followed by the first question. Why was the author happy? Next question. How did the man react after seeing the bicycle? How did he react it? Third one. What was unusual and annoying about the man's behavior? Next question. Which was the toughest part of the bicycle that the author's friend found the toughest to fix? Clear? So please be prepared with these answers. We'll be discussing them in the online class. Moving to homework. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Did the front wheel really wobble? Really move? Wobble means move. What is your opinion? Give a reason for your answer. Question number 2. In what condition did the author find the bicycle when he returned from the tool shed, when he went to take the hammer? So that's the tool shed. Question number 3. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. Comment on or continue the sentence in the light of what actually happens. Question number 4. What special treatment did the chain receive? So you have to write the special treatment that the chain got. Question number 5. The friend has two qualities. He knows that he is doing and is absolutely sure it is good. Find the two phrases in the text which mean the same. Question number 6. Describe the fight between the man and the machine. Find the relevant sentences in the text and write them. So that's the homework. You have to do the homework. I hope you people have understood the story. It's very easy. If you have any doubt, we can take them in the online class. Please be ready with your doubts, with your textbook and a pencil in your hand so that you can ask your doubts and you can clarify all the problems that you have faced in this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.